Okay, and here's the visual optics of what I wanted to achieve. It suffers from a fingerprint on there. Anyway, here's the filter that I usually use. Can't get this light to go right here. All right, here's the filter that I usually use. It looks like the color is a little darker, a little bluer, unfortunately. It's not as aqua as I wanted it, but that's how experiments go. So I wonder how the meter would look if I can get the meter over there. Here's the meter, if I can run it down there or not. If it will suffer my abuse. I wonder how this will look. I'm trying to get the meter to line up. It's not going so well. So I'm going to break it. Okay, there it is, lined up. It's in there. How does that look? Wow, it's really blue. It's really blue. And you can see where my paper ends. The paper's not long enough. And it's super blue. That doesn't look so great, does it? How blue is blue? Well, here's some reference paper here. And yeah, it definitely is a disaster in color. It doesn't have, well, maybe that'll work. I guess it beats nothing. How does it look here? Well, it will look aqua with a lot of light. We'll see how much I can hit it with. Anyway, that's my exciting update here with the Drake. It's like, is it worth taking apart for this fingerprints? I wonder. How bad are the fingerprints on it? Can I see fingerprints in here at all? Not really. All right, well, that's what I'm doing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.